Okay, Mayran, Kalah, come on up, Mayran.
I don't speak English, so I have my interpreter there. If people have any questions. My name is Mayran. I'm your last comment. I'm sorry. My husband just dropped me and I have to change after because he won't recognize me. Normally we wear a black burqa. I don't know if you guys know, it's like ninjas. So that's why I have to be nice because we don't want him to marry his fourth wife. What? I'm lying, baby. It was a good year. We're from the bushes. My name is Mayran. I'm your goat herder. I'm not comedian. It's just the life that I was blessed